You can make a simple battery charger with 4 diodes and 1 transformer. We connect the cathode of a diode. 2 anode connected together form a rectifier bridge. Then we prepare one 12-volt transformer. Then we bridge the rectifier to the output of the transformer. Let's take a light bulb that's rated at 220 volts and a plug. We connect it in series with the primary winding of the transformer. Next is our battery for charging. As shown in the picture, battery negative terminal connected to diode anode common terminal, and battery positive terminal connected to diode cathode common terminal. When plugged in to charge the battery, the bulb lights up. As charging proceeds, we noticed that the light bulbs were gradually dimming. When the battery is fully charged, the light bulb will be completely dimmed. So any of you wonder why this light bulb gradually dims during charging? Friends who know and friends who don't understand can go to my comment area to discuss. If you are interested, you can play with it. Verify that the method is as described in the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Take care and bye.